Gatho muno ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega tukoro tukimurika maundu maria marahanikire over the weekend. Muthenya wa ira, Sunday ya ira was on Father's Day, na Samido na Ede ni marakorirwo magitucamithia tumaisha twao simple kuria USA. Nake Karen Nyamũ arakorwo agika on Father's Day. No before tuteretange ici hetekera tugutana on your notification na gusubscribe niguo hingo ciothe twa post video ugakorwo ri wa mbere gukinyirwo. Like Father's Day ciana hau thutha iria twanona Samido na Karen Nyamũ magikosa drama, Samido chose gukorwo celebrate Father's Day ya ira mwaka uyu, na twana twaona Ede in the USA kuria Ede also posted bishaishi celebrating their daughter's birthday, Shalin, who turned 15. Karen Nyamũ arakorirwo akirekereria ndumiriri on Father's Day, ndumiriri itanonania ati aramerekeria kuri Samido ndanakorwo akimugweta ona hanini, but arakorirwo celebrate all fathers in general. On being Father's Day, bisha eno shared by Akothe Kenya of a single father orakorirwo agituthika ngika ngoro utwarithagia nduthi na kana gake after mutumia wake kumutiganiria na kana left a lot of Kenyans very heartbroken. Akothe arakoretwo akihoera this father uteithio kuma kuri single mothers, akiuga a single father aboda rider broken down in tears after his wife abandoned him with their child since he can't afford a babysitter. He rides with the child. Kenya makeria single moms matina korwo makionekana go sympathize, makiuga o makoragwo magikuwa murigo riria matiganirio na ciana. Conversation iragikorwo ikiuma